This is grade 5, module 3, lesson 11, and in this lesson the objective is to subtract fractions, making like units numerically. So we're going to be working on homework problem number 1, and it's letter E, and it reads 2 1/4 minus 1 1/5. And I'm going to show you how to solve this problem two separate ways. So the first way we're going to do this is by creating a number bond, and in this case I could take 2 1/4 right here, and when I decompose that, I can make 5/5 and 1/4. And I picked 5/5 because if you look at what I'm subtracting, I have a denominator of 1/5. So now I have a problem I can solve here. Okay, here's the work using the number bond. So I took 5/5 and I subtracted the 1/5, and I got that from here. And I got an answer of 4/5. Then I took the other part of the number bond and I have 1 1/4, and I'm subtracting the whole number 1, which I got from right over here, to get an answer of 1/4. When I add 4/5 and 1/4 together to find the common denominator, I have my answer down here. So it's 16/20 plus 5/20, and it actually becomes 21/20, and that's an improper fraction, so your answer will be 1 1/20. Now I'm going to solve this using the common denominator. So 2 1/4, I multiplied 1/4 by 5, the 5 over 5, so the numerator and the denominator by 5, minus 1 1/5, and again I multiplied 1/5 by 4 over 4. And so when we solve this, we have a common denominator of 20, so it's a little easier to solve. Subtracting the whole numbers, and I have an answer of 1 1/20. Now the next problem I'm going to do is problem number 4 from the homework, and it reads, Bill reads 1/5 of a book on Monday. He reads 2/3 of a book on Tuesday. If he finishes reading the book on Wednesday, what fraction of the book did he read on Wednesday? So we're going to set up our target sentence, and that reads, he read blank of the book on Wednesday. So we have to find out how much of the whole book he read already. So on Monday he read 1/5, and on Tuesday he read 2/3. So we're going to have to add those fractions together, and again we're going to have to find a common denominator. So when I find the common denominator of 15, the fraction becomes 3/15 plus 10/15, which is 13/15. Now that is the amount of the book that he already has read on Monday and Tuesday. So we have to take 13/15 and subtract it from the total of the whole book. And it's one book, so we're going to put that as 15 over 15. So 15/15 is the whole book. And we're subtracting 13/15, that's how much he already read. So what's left? So when we solve that, we have 2/15 left, and that is how much of the book he read on Wednesday. So we can put that right in our target sentence. He read 2/15 of the book on Wednesday.